In the digital era, cybersecurity is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. With the increasing dependence on technology, the protection of one's digital assets and online presence has become as vital as safeguarding physical valuables. Today, we delve deep into the world of Linux and its inherent security features, providing a roadmap to mastering cybersecurity on this platform. Linux, an open-source operating system, is the backbone of many servers, desktops, and mobile devices worldwide. Its robustness and flexibility make it a preferred choice for many individuals and organizations. But what makes Linux a champion in the cybersecurity arena? It all boils down to its fundamental design principles. The Linux operating system is built on a multi-user concept, which means that administrative tasks are reserved for the root user, effectively restricting unauthorized access. This system of permissions and privileges is the cornerstone of Linux's security, making it an uphill battle for cybercriminals. Diving deeper into the Linux security toolkit, one encounters an array of specialized tools. Firewalls, such as IP tables and UFW, help regulate network traffic, while intrusion detection systems like Snort and OSSEC monitor the system for any suspicious activity. Then we have encryption tools like GNU-PG, which provide an additional layer of security by encoding data, making it unreadable to anyone without the correct decryption key. However, the security of a Linux system is not just about the tools at disposal. It extends to the practices followed while installing software and updating the system. When installing software, it's crucial to download it from trusted sources, verify the authenticity, and review the permissions it requests. This minimizes the risk of introducing malicious code or compromising system security. Equally important is the process of updating the system. While updates are essential for maintaining system health and security, they can be a double-edged sword. If intercepted, updates can be used to introduce malware into the system. To prevent this, Linux users can employ methods such as digital signatures and checksums to verify the integrity of updates. To wrap up, understanding the basics of Linux and its inherent security features, utilizing the right cybersecurity tools, and following safe practices while installing software and updating the system are crucial for maintaining a secure Linux environment. In this digital world where cyber threats loom large, securing your Linux system is not just an option, it's a critical necessity. So go ahead, fortify your Linux fortress and keep the cyber intruders at bay. And remember, the world of cybersecurity is vast and ever-evolving. So hit that like button, share this video with your peers, and subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and tutorials to navigate the cybersecurity landscape. Stay safe and stay informed.